These are our Pixel 1.86 LED full screen toaster. And now I will check introduce our post point. It is our super slim Signage. You can check. It's about 4 centimeters. You can see. And the second is with the light weight. It's only 35 kilometers per panel, so it's easy to transport and easy to movable and portable. And third, we can see the full display. It has the screen has the refresh rate is up to 3,840 high rate, and you can see the image quality. It is 500 by 1, and then you can check the brightness. Now, because this is for indoor, so the brightness reaches to 1,000 nits, and if for outdoors, we can up to 3,000 to 5,000 and more than 6,000. And now we can actually this big screen is splicing with 5 units. So we can see there's not any seamless. And this one is for a holder when we need to remove all the splice with the screen together. So this is the holder and a stand. And this one is for the Wi-Fi antenna. And we can see there is the control box inside. Built-in control board here for the power plug there, and the Signage port, switch, power plug, the USB.